Hey lads, welcome to Neverending Canvas. So today I'm going to be doing my August bullet journal setup, and to start off I'm just writing a quote. I'm writing it's time for a new adventure. So this month anyway is my last month of summer holidays before I go back to college. So I'm excited. I have some goals that I want to achieve before I go back to college, so I'm really looking forward to that. This month's theme is going to be dogs because I just love them. So it's going to be simple enough because I don't want to spend too much time on my bullet journal. I think it's just kind of a quick one this month. It's not too detailed. So I decided to outline it's time for a new adventure with black marker, and I kind of regretted it. Like, I'm looking at it and I think it looked nicer with the red by itself, but I think that's what you learn. You kind of realize as you're going what works and what doesn't, so just have to try new things. So I'm just doing August in a really simple font. I'm just leaving it black and white and keeping it easy, and I'm just like it, just fun. I'm also adding in some paw prints at the top. I'm just going to leave them black and white, so I think they look really nice. It's a simple way to decorate your first page. I'm doing some at the bottom as well, and I'm doing them upside down, so as if you're walking in two different directions, two different dogs, whatever you like. Okay, on to my next page. So this is just going to be my monthly spread. So I'm doing August in really simple lettering, just in black. And again, I'm doing some paw prints. I love the paw prints. Comment down below, what's your favourite kind of dog? I have a terrier, so I really like them kind of dogs, but I like all dogs. So I'm just doing kind of square boxes, but they're not very pointy. They're just kind of rounded at the edges, and they're not perfect. I'm just doing this freehand, so I kind of like the look of the ragged edges, and it's just kind of nice. I'm just going in again now into each box, and I'm putting in a paw print, and I'm going to colour them in red and write the date on top. So just a bit of a different way to write the date in. Sorry, now my head got in the way for a bit. Oh, my brother was laughing at it when he was watching it. Okay, so this next page is going to be my workout page. So the quote I'm writing here is just in black pen, and it's not where you walk, it's who you walk with. So I decided to do a dog in this, and it just has a little lead in its mouth, and I think it looks really cute. I'm just so obsessed with dogs. I had so much fun doing this, even though it is really simple. I feel like it's really easy for beginners as well, just to keep it simple. I just did the lead in red as well, so it just kind of gives it an extra oomph and it stands out. So I'm just writing workout in red. I've been so bad working out this month. In July I just have not worked out as much as I'd like, so I'd really like to focus on that in August. So I'm doing kind of rectangular boxes for each day of this month for the workout, and again I'm just doing them freehand and just keeping it loose. I'm just going in with a red marker now, kind of to liven up the boxes, give them a bit of sparkle. So I think it's nice just to add a bit to the right side. I don't want to do all four sides. I think it'd just be a bit too much. Just going in with the numbers now to mark the dates. So I'm just doing my key now on the left hand side corner. So I'm keeping it really simple. I'm having one paw print equals 10,000 steps, and the second paw print is going to be coloured in black, and that equals a workout. So I'm going to fill them in if I do that. Okay, next page I'm firstly writing a small quote in the top left hand corner. Small changes make a big impact. So this is my habit tracker. I'm not going to be tracking too many things this month. I think it's easier to just focus on a few things and to do them well. So I'm drawing kind of bones or dog treats, and I'm going to fill in what I'm tracking into the boxes. So what I'm tracking this month is waking up before 9 a.m. I've been doing this for all of July, and I love waking up early. Maybe not as early as some people who get up at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m, but it's early for me and I like it. So I'm going to be drawing paws in for each day of the month, and I'm just going to fill them in if I wake up before 9 a.m. on that day. I'm also going to be tracking reading. I love reading. I think it's great to be learning something as well continuously. So I love history and fiction, just reading books, anything really. So I want to track that as well this month. I'm also tracking YouTube. I want to try and upload more videos. I've only recently started, so I'm still a bit rusty at it, but sure, I'll get there eventually. So I'm hoping to upload a good few now this month. And lastly, I'm tracking healthy eating, so I think that's also important. Right, the next page is going to be left fairly blank. I'm just writing memories at the top, and I'm going to fill this in as I go through the month. The next page is going to be my mood tracker. I think this is my favorite page for this month. I did the mood tracker in simple red and then outlined it with black. I really like the font I did. It's kind of pretty loose and easy to do. It doesn't really take long. I really love the O's as well. I think they just look really nice. that bit I didn't do perfect now, so I just went in with a bit of red again just to fix it up, and you know, it doesn't matter if it's not perfect. So for the mood tracker, I'm going to be drawing a dog, and I'm going to have it marked into 31 different sections, which I'll do kind of as I go along through the month, but I kind of have it fairly well divided already. So it's a little terrier, and I think it looks super cute and has a little bow on the top, and sure, it looks happy out. Yeah, so this was really easy to draw. Sorry, now my head's getting in the way a bit, but again, I am only learning, and I promise videos will get better. So yeah, I think this looks really good. Right, now we're on to my weekly spread. So I'm writing Thursday and Friday on the left hand side of the page, and Saturday and Sunday onto the right hand side. I only do 2 days per page because I like to have a good bit of room. I like to write down a good bit of information, and I'm on to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday now in the next 2. And I'm just cutting this page now. I want to just put in August now into the left hand side, and I'm going to put in the days of the month underneath. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. I'm going to do a flip through of everything that I've done in this video. So, oh yeah, before I forget, I'm putting in paw prints in the corner just because I think it adds an extra aesthetic to the bullet journal.